welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time seeing my face, hi, I'm Lolly. I focus on art, lifestyle and vlogs. I just woke up crusty, but anyway, I just want to thank you guys for the engagement on my previous post. That video actually performed really well, to a point where I actually got a client that wants me to help them renovate their home. So I'm helping them out to pick out some furniture pieces in Santon. Some are gonna be custom made, and luckily they have the budget for what I have in mind. So y'all, let's get into it.
I feel the sun creeping up like tick-tock. I'm trying to keep you in my head, but if not, we'll just keep running from tomorrow with our lips locked. Yeah, you got me begging, begging, baby. Be your fairy tale. Baby, can you make a wish for me? Healing energy on me. And it's 11, I need it. Healing energy on me. Baby, can you make a wish for me?
Hey guys, I am back. I actually came home about 2 hours ago, changed. Sorry I didn't show you guys my outfit. I was in a rush when leaving the house. I had such a productive day today, such a productive day. I just want to give you guys a bit of background about myself. I am an artist at heart, and I haven't painted in a very long time. I'm just going to show you guys somewhere next to this video. My art page on Instagram. Yes, I am back on Instagram now. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe, please. Yeah, I haven't painted much in a very long time, so I want to get back into that this year because my client actually requested for an artwork for her home, so I'm actually going to do that. So excited. And the reason why I haven't painted for a very long time, I think self-doubt has played a huge role. And having to work, come home, get tired and all of that. I know I've been juggling a lot of things in my life. So yeah, I just want to get back into that. And I was also struggling to find an art style that actually spoke to me. But now I think I have. Okay, let's get into today's content. The first store that we actually visited, I'm just going to write the names down because I don't want to butcher any names. The first store that we visited is a high-end luxury store in Santon. if you are looking for quality, definitely go check them out. I saw a mirror there for like 300,000 rand. Yes, people spend that kind of money on just a mirror. Yes. So their quality is, yeah, it's
Screaming.
quality. Like, it's giving quality. That is the only thing it's giving. Quality. Luxury. Yes. Those are only two things. Yeah. And then the second one is an Italian brand. It imports their goods from Italy. Only supports Italian artists. They recently supported an African artist. So I think it's because that artist has been a client with them for a very long time. So that's mainly the reason. But yeah, they only take their goods from Italy. It's also giving luxury. Please also do check them out. And then the third one is more on the reasonable side. I saw a standard couch there for like 20 something thousand, which is like okay for the quality. Like, the quality is actually really amazing. And I think it was a 2-seater, if not a small 3-seater. I'm not sure, but I actually had my eye on that specific couch. If I have a picture of it, I'll just show you guys. So yeah, and then after that, I then went to a few workshops. Why am I calling it a workshop? Warehouse, yeah. Is it a warehouse? Is it a workshop? Yeah, either or. They are more for like people who are looking into renovating their kitchen. Like, if you're looking for kitchen cupboards, if you're looking for like table stones, marble stones for your interior, you know, that kind of vibe, you should definitely visit Marble and Stone. And then there's also one as well that I visited, also good with their quality, their cupboards and all. Yeah, you should definitely check these places out. I will be providing you guys with more places when I go and visit, but for now, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys are subscribing. Thank you so much. Some of you guys are actually watching my content without subscribing. Why are you not subscribing? Why? Anyway, please do like, comment and subscribe, and let's engage more on the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm back on Instagram. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.